Welcome viewers to Startup News. I am your host Aishwarya. My Startup TV is the world's first online TV channel for startups, investors, and enablers. On the My Startup TV app, you can watch live startup news, views, and debate. If you have a story, we will cover it. Download the app from Google Play Store. Top headlines for today are Flipkart to launch its healthcare startup. India and US defense official focuses on space and artificial intelligence. KDEM to establish startups. Now the news in detail are Flipkart is the new stakeholder of an online pharmacy, Sasta Sundar Marketplace. This will help them to go forward with their Medicare launch. Indian and US defense officials and business people have focused on partnership in space and artificial intelligence in a virtual exhibit, according to the US Department of Defense. With the launch of Beyond Bangalore Startup Grid, Karnataka Digital Economy Mission is planning to help startups by providing a network facilitating market access, mentorship, and investment. Mangalore, Mysuru, and Hubli clusters are also included. Jet Synthesis has signed Sonu Nigam to launch India's first musical NFT series. Sonu Nigam's Hall of Fame will be there along with his very own penned down lyrics. Apple is setting up to market their Project Titan electric car in 2025 with some future features including no steering wheel and pedals. Let's see if Apple can bite traditional makers like Tesla and Rivian or not. Meesho introduced ESOP for All program for their employees. With this, the employees can convert up to 25% of their annual CTC into ESOPs. Meesho is looking to forward it to 100% outcome. Craft Seeds, Gate Garden and Kriti Kalash has become a part of 10 Club for an undisclosed amount. These will run the lawn and garden segment and might profit 10 Club with $50 million annual revenue. PhonePe has conducted Rs 135 crore ESOPs buyback. They are hoping for at least 75% participation from their current workforce. Swiggy and Meesho have also joined this trend recently. With the previous investment of Kedara Capital, Purple again has backed $60 million from Premji Invest. This will help them to polish their acquisition and root the offline retail market. Antler India has launched a program named Antler India Fellowship for the students to encourage them to showcase their ideas and turn their startup into a business. This will be a 16-week program. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.